afternoon to you. Let's say straight away that that's not a typical scene across the country, but it's been raining so much across the south over the past 2 or 3 days that standing water and flooding, local flooding, could well be a really serious problem now. There's more rain to come through the rest of today. In fact, it's been a really wet night and a wet morning across much of the south, from about Hampshire and Sussex in the east, extending northwestwards up through Devon, into South Wales, through the Bristol Channel, and then across into Southern Ireland. That band of rain hardly moving at all, and as you can see, every now and again we get little pulses of heavier rain, the red colours there, indicating the heavier storms moving northwestwards, and that's going to be fuelled once again during the rest of today, and indeed even into tonight as well. Typical rainfall figures then for the past 12 hours up until 10 o'clock this morning, and we're looking up at around 35 to 40 millimetres, well over an inch of rain. So there is a warning in force for parts of South and Southwest Wales, much of the West Country, with the exception of Cornwall, extending eastwards through Hampshire into parts of Sussex. More heavy rainfall to come and very difficult driving conditions through today and tonight. Now, to the north of that band of wet weather, it does cheer up very quickly, and indeed many places are going to have a hot and sunny afternoon, a sultry one too, albeit a breezy one. But the increasing chance of some showers breaking through across other parts of Wales, maybe into the South Midlands and the London area before the day is out. Just a 20% chance of seeing a downpour, but there could be the odd rumble of thunder. Having said that, now further north and east, plenty of fine weather about. The sunshine very hazy though, but it's a super August day with temperatures of around 25 to 27 degrees, with the highest temperature likely to be around the Wash into parts of East Anglia. Tonight, still some rumbles of thunder, still some outbreaks of rain continuing across the south. Further north, the low cloud and the mist returning from the North Sea. The low pressure is still there, and indeed it's going to be there for the next 24 hours as well, with this ridge of high pressure ensuring fine weather for much of northeast Britain. On Thursday then, lots of sunshine about after a rather grey start in some areas, but the sunshine is going to be very strong. It'll burn back the low cloud and the mist very quickly. But again across the south, and indeed tomorrow up into Northern Ireland, parts of the north of Wales and the Midlands, maybe more showers about, some heavy ones too, with the odd rumble of thunder. And through the day you may well find rather more sunshine breaking through between the bands of wet weather. And then things begin to change at the end of the week. On Friday we'll see the weather front coming in from the northwest. That one will also bring in some heavy rain and some thunderstorms across northern and then some central parts of the country as time goes by. No great change for the south on Friday though. There'll be some sunshine, but equally there'll be some heavy downpours and some thunderstorms once again, giving localised flooding possibly. Very muggy as well, with hardly any wind about at that time. Across the far northwest though we'll find some showers or longer spells of wet weather with thunderstorms, and they'll start to move southwards across the country during Saturday and Sunday. Much fresher weather, brighter weather returning though for Scotland and Northern Ireland. And that's it from